So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can search button to click and then enter your model number of motherboard Z890 UD Wi-Fi 6E, then hit enter and then click to product. After that click on model number of motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. If you Windows 10 any use, so installations process same. Audio driver, and this is audio, and click to download. When click to download, it will start downloading automatically. After download, just open, single click to open, and this is exe and extracted, so double click to launch for installation. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And then install and close it. Chipset, this is processing unit driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Then click on, after download, just click it and double click to exe. Then click to yes. And then install and then close it. So automatically close means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. So it is start downloading. Wait few seconds to complete. Then after download, just open and double click to run. Then yes. Now this is installing. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds. It will close automatically means this is installed. So guys, install and then close it. VGA. So click to download. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. After download, the VGA just open and double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system and then install it. And then close. This is installed. Then Bluetooth driver. See, this is Bluetooth driver and click to download. And it is wait start for downloading and it is completed. Then it is completed and just single click to open. Then double click to launch. And this is install and then close it. W lens means Wi-Fi, so Intel Wi-Fi driver and click to download. It will start downloading here Wi-Fi. Then open Wi-Fi driver to double click exe. Then click to yes. And then install and close it. USB driver. So ID USB driver, click to download. And it is completed. Just open and double click to yes. And it is completed and we close it.